You won't believe this incredible CNC machine that absolutely amazing. Get 51% off right now with link in this video descriptions. CNC 3018 Pro Max Laser Engraver GRBL Control 3-Axis DIY Engraving Machine PCB Milling Machine for Wood PCB PVC Mini CNC 3018. Product specifications. Machine size 420x350x290 5x17.8x11. 4. Working area 300x180x45 8x7.1x1. 8. Spindle 775 spindle motor 1236V24V10000 Armen step motor 42 step motor 1.30, 25 Nm frame material, aluminum plus bakelite, control software, GRBL control. Drill bits, tip 0.1 mm 20 degree, diameter 3, 175 mm, laser. You can choose 1W, 1, 6W, 2, 5W, 3W, 5, 5W, 7W, 10W, 15W or no laser to order. Lead screw, T8 lead screw, lead form, supported system, Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10. 3018 Pro M is a great gift for friends, family, and children. Designed for absolute beginners, it is a great tool to start CNC learning. If woodworking is your hobby, you can use it to carve exquisite patterns and print your favorite pictures and other functions. If you are a student who is just lear, upgrade version CNC 3018 Pro Max. Machine size 420x350x290 5x17.8x11. 4. Working area 300x180x45 8x7.1x1. 8. Material aluminum alloy. Spindle 775 spindle motor 1224V24V 10000 Armen. Stepper motor 42 stepper motor 12 volts, phase current 1.3A, phase resistance 2.1 ohms. Simple assembly for use. This mini CNC router machine kit is mainly designed for DIY carving enthusiasts or beginners. Easily assembled and operated, coming with a paper manual and USB flash drive of all the files. Please let us know if you need any help. Update GRBL 1.1 Control Board. The GRBL board supports emergency stop and X or Y or Z axis limit functions, which can be used together with the emergency stop button and limit switch on the engraving machine to ensure a safe and simple working environment. Other functions and features such as maximum support for 20,000 revolutions per minute spindle, tool setting probe, offline controller with a power switch button and a silent fan cooling. CNC 3018 Pro Max machine can not only engraving wood, plastic, acrylic, PVC or PCB or carbon fiber or density board and so on, but also soft. Get 55% off right now with link in this video descriptions. Buy right now, get 88us with our link products. CNC 3018 Pro Max Laser Engraver GRBL Control 3-Axis DIY Engraving Machine PCB Milling Machine for Wood PCB PVC Mini CNC 3018.